Hello guys, and welcome back to this short video where I am going to share with you how you can create that stunning Cinemagraph by using a tool that you already have installed on your computer and that you probably are using in your day-to-day life, and that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Now in the previous videos and lectures I've showed you where you can create when you can find very good videos that can be turned into cinemagraphs, videos that you can take and use for free if you obviously don't have your own videos. Now you have seen what type of videos you need in order to be able to create a good cinemagraph. You have seen what type of features they need. Now I'm going to show you an example, a video with water pouring from a water font, and you will see how great a cinemagraph can actually look like by creating it with PowerPoint. Now, first things first, what you have to do, and you can do this in the same time with me, basically you can do every single step that I do by pausing this lecture video and applying that step for your own video, okay, or for your own cinemagraph. So first things first, I want you guys to open your Microsoft PowerPoint. You will have obviously the option to create a new PowerPoint, a new presentation. From these options, all of the designs that you have here, please select the first one, blank presentation. Basically, it doesn't matter which of the designs you will choose, but let's select the first one, the blank presentation. Now, what we have to do is delete these fields here because we don't actually need them. Okay, so we will delete them. And now the first step is to insert. After we delete the fields, we have only one slide to insert the video that we want to transform into a cinemagraph, to insert it in this slide. How we can do that? Very simple. You'll see that you have your menu of PowerPoint here. You will go into the insert option. We will select from this insert menu this option from the right side, video. Okay, we'll have two more other options, an online video. Basically, the online video option will allow you to insert a video from an URL from the web into PowerPoint. We don't want to do that because we might have problem with our internet connection or with other stuff, and we don't want this type of problems. We want first to download the video to our computer and afterwards to upload it into PowerPoint. So basically we will create the cinemagraph directly from our computer. Okay, so what we do right now is select video on my PC, and I will select the folder where I have downloaded my video. So basically in the download section, water font is my video. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, in the download section, let me first see how I've saved it. Okay, MVE. Okay, let me go back right now. Okay, so it has a different name. MVE. Okay, so this is the one. I will insert it now. Okay, so this is the video. Now, first things first, guys, what you want to do, okay, you want to copy and paste this video again. So we will copy it, we will paste it, we will arrange it in the same position. Okay, and I will explain to you in a couple of seconds why we want to do that. Now so basically this was the second step because we have copied and pasted the video, so we have 2 times the video in this slide. Now what we want to do, first of all, we want to save this image, okay, as let's say as a still image. Okay, so we want to save this frame from this video as a still image. Now how can we do that? We go in the file option from the menu. We will have another option here, save as, and we will select from here I don't know, a folder where we want to save the image. For me it's downloads, all the time is downloads. Okay, I will select save as type here of an image format, okay, the standard one, water example 2. Okay, this is the name that I want to give the image. I will press the button save. I will select just this slide, so the option from the middle, just this one, and now we have the image. Now what I want you guys to do, okay, is from the second video that you have here, to see which is the part, okay, I will play it a little bit, to see which is the part, okay, that can be created as a loopable movement. Okay, because this is very important. You have to select the part that can be created as a loopable action, a loopable video, or a loopable movement, and that can be very well isolated. And I think that for this case, for this example, it's obvious, okay? This is the part. Now let me show you how we can do that, okay? Because we have to apply that on this video here, okay? On the second video, we have to isolate that movement. You'll see that in the menu of your PowerPoint, when you have this video selected, you have two options here, format and playback. We have to go into the format option here, and here we have another option, crop. We select crop and we isolate that part, okay? Which basically is this one. So this is the part that we want to isolate, right? Very, very simple, guys. This is the part that we want to isolate. Now we double click outside, and basically this is our second video, okay? Very, very simple. We don't need the whole video for this, okay? We can stop it at a certain part. Now how do we stop it, or how do we select a specific portion of time from a video? Because for all the cinema graphs that we will create, we will only need a specific part, okay, of the video, a specific time from the video. So I will go to playback, and here we have an option, trim video, okay? I will select trim video, and I think that we are good to go for the first, okay, 5 seconds. 5 seconds and a half. Okay, I will select OK, so it will trim our video to 5 seconds and a half, and we are done. Okay, now the next step, guys, okay, is to check this option here in the playback option of the video that we have cropped, loop until stopped. Okay, and for the start option here, to select automatically. Okay, now we are done with this video, okay, with the loopable video. Now what we want to do is delete the video from behind, basically our first video, okay? I will press the button delete. What we want to do right now is to insert that image that we saved, that frame that we saved as an image, okay? Before cropping the second video and trimming it. So I will press the button insert again. We will have an option here, pictures. I will select this option. I will go to downloads. Search for the one that I saved, okay, for the image that I saved. I press insert. Okay, what we want to do, because the image is a new element, we want to move it backwards, okay, so we want the video to be in front of it. And here is the place, okay, we want to be sure that the elements are in the same place, okay, the element from the video and from the still image. So this is the one. Okay, now that our image is in full size, the video is positioned okay over it. Basically, we are good to go. Okay, and now let me show you exactly how this will look like. I will press the slideshow. I will go into the slideshow presentation, select from beginning. And here it is, guys, our Cinemagraph, right? Now I think we have to move a little bit the video. Let me check it. Okay, a little bit. I think this is actually the right position for it. Let's check the slideshow again. Yeah, I think right now it's okay. So this is how it will look like, guys. Okay, let me go back. So guys, after you know that everything is in place, okay, the video is in the right place, the image is in the right place, the element from the video is in the right place over the element from the image, okay, you have cropped the video, you have trimmed the video, you have made it be transformed it into a looped action, okay, loop until stopped, start automatically. Basically you have done everything that it's needed. What you want to do right now, okay, is go into the file section here, okay, press the save as button, actually not the save as button, go to export, okay, you will have an option here, create a video, okay, presentation quality, okay, you can select whatever you want, okay, second spend on each slide, press the create video button, presentation 7, okay. Basically you see that it will save this as a video, as an MPEG-4 video. You press save, okay, and you are done. You'll see here that it's creating video presentation, okay. You will have a progress bar here and it will create your presentation, okay. Now after your presentation is done and I've already created it for you guys. Okay, you have to go, okay, on the web, on the internet. You go on Google. Okay, you look for GIF creator because you want to transform your video into a GIF. You'll get gifmaker.me or giphy.com. Let's select giphy.com. Okay, you will upload your video here. We select, okay, browse, we select presentation. Okay, we have presentation 2 or presentation 1. Presentation 2, we select it, open. Okay, it will load the video. So this is the GIF, guys. This is how the Cinemagraph will look like. Okay, we select the start time, the end time, okay, duration. Okay, I think 4 seconds is enough. Okay, 4 seconds. Then we press the button create GIF after we select the time. Bear with me for a couple of seconds. And here we go, guys. Our new Cinemagraph. Copy link. Okay. Here is the short link. Let's see the GIF. Here it is, guys. If you want to download it to your computer, let's download it. And let's have a look at our GIF. So here is our new Cinemagraph, guys. Really cool, right? So this was created only with PowerPoint. Okay, you have exported the PowerPoint as an MPEG-4 video, and afterwards you have used giphy.com to transform the MPEG-4 video into a GIF. And now you have a stunning Cinemagraph that is your own. You can use it however you want, and you have created it very, very fast just by using PowerPoint and a very simple method. Now, guys, I think you have understand the process on how to use PowerPoint to create a video, okay, with a loopable action that can be actually turned into a GIF, which is an actual Cinemagraph that looks exactly like this and works very, very well. Now, I'm looking forward to see your own Cinemagraphs, and I'm also going to share with you other examples as well into other videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in other videos and lectures as well. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.